Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Hello everybody, my name is Talal Aljohani from grade 10 boys of Al-Arab International School, and I'm going to discuss nanotechnology and its direct relation to the Saudi Arabian economy. First, I'm going to tell you what is nano. Nano is a prefix used in scientific notation, meaning 10 to the power of negative 9 or 0.8 zeros and then a 1. In other words, nano is just a very, very small number. What is nanotechnology? Nanotechnology is the science, engineering, and everything related to technology conducted at the nanoscale. The nanoscale is a very, very small number. How did nanotechnology start? Here there's a picture of a physicist called Richard Feynman in the University of California Tech at 1959. Richard Feynman had an idea where he brought all of the brightest minds in the world and had a talk at California Tech. The talk was called "There's Plenty of the Room at the Bottom." It discussed about how nanotechnology can shape up our future, even though nanotechnology wasn't even an idea at the time. Saudi Arabia's economy and the relation to nanotechnology. I think most people know that Saudi Arabia's economy solely relies on fuel and fuel extraction. It makes 80% of the annual GDP, which is $687 million. The annual GDP is related to fuel extraction. Now, how would nanotechnology help with that? Nanotechnology is used in oil extraction. Oil extraction is a very expensive process and it's a complex one. But nanotechnology will help make that process easier and cheaper. There's 4 main points. Nanotechnology, it can help in nanotechnology enhanced material. It will provide the strength to increase performance in drilling. As we know that the fuel extraction requires drilling to a very deep altitude under earth. Next point is designer properties. Designer properties will enhance the hydrophobic materials. Sometimes fuel can be found underwater, and we need materials that are not hydrophobic. Hydrophobic means it can adapt to water. Nanosensor for improved temperature and pressure ratings. I think most people don't know that when you extract fuel and oil, if you reach a certain temperature or pressure rating, that fuel will be destroyed and you can't use it for multiple years. Like I'm talking about a large amount of time. If you get the wrong if you get the wrong temperature and pressure numbers. Desalination in Saudi Arabia. Desalination is the process of changing salty water into fresh, pure water. This means that you can change the water from the sea to drinkable water. Now, desalination is a process that is applicable, but the cost is what makes most countries think twice about desalination. Water is common around the world. Yes, it is. 96% of the water, though, is from the ocean. And ocean water isn't drinkable, so we have to conduct desalination. Now, there are 2 figures showing you how is nanotechnology used in desalination. Now, desalination, you know the process osmosis, where you have pressurized, it will help pressurized salt water to get out so you can get the fresh, pure water out of it. This is called reverse osmosis. The picture under it is one that shows you how electrolytes can be used to get the fresh water. Electrolytes are liquids that conduct electricity. How is nanotechnology used today? Nanotechnology is used in food, medicine, batteries, and many more fields. But nanotechnology is conducted at such a low scale and at a very small devices that you don't even notice that nanotechnology is helping your everyday life. How is nanotechnology expected to be used in the future? Nanotechnology is shaping our future to be amazing. We might have skin coaters, skin protectors. We might have cancer protectors. We might have cancer detectors. We also might have the chance of never being sick again. Thank you. Thank you for listening. Does anybody have any question? Thank you.